Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down to the place where you can find the apps. So actually to the very bottom, let's tap on those apps, and now let's take a look at this option, three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got reset up preferences, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the information that your device will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any existing app data, so if you're ready, just tap on reset. And actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.